for what a formula is. It's how to do a problem. I like that. I like that. So let's go with, this is going to be Mr. Thomas's version, okay? Let's go with, I'm going to kind of combine your two, all right? It's a set equation to do a certain type of problem, okay? So we'll use that. It's a set equation for a certain type of problem. And I wrote down there one of the most common ones, okay? One of the most common ones, area is length times width. Okay, but the first thing when you get a formula, what you need to do, you need to figure out what are the components of the formula. All right, what do the letters mean? This looks like alphabet soup right now, doesn't it? A equals L times W. All right, so let's break that one down. Letters mean, it could be all kinds. It could be one, it could be other things. Okay, a letter is just a variable. A variable can stand for a number, any number. So looking at this guy here, I'm just going to use this as an example. I need to break down what this is. So A is area. L is length. And W is width. Correct. Okay? That's multiplication. Okay? So right now, I took my initial formula. A equals L times W is my formula. And then I broke it down. I figured out what each of the parts are. A is area. L is length. W is width. And most times that's going to be written down in your equation or in the setup for the problem. Okay? So then you have to figure out what you know. So right below there I say given the length of the figure is 15 and the width is 12, what's the area? So here is length, here is width. So plug in what you know. Do I know the area? I don't know the area. I'm going to find the area. What do I know? Well, I know that the length is 15, width is 12. That's it. What do you get? What's 15 times 12? 180. Now in this problem, we have feet, right? So this would be feet squared, right? In this area.
So then will we take the 180 and like square root?
Nope. Oh, you're done. You're done right there. Okay, so I took a formula. I plugged in what I knew, and that gave me then A. That's what was the other one I didn't know. So when you get a formula, you're going to get numbers for every single letter except for one. Okay? So look at the next one. I have 2x plus 4y equals c. And I want to solve it for x is 5, y is negative 7. Now here I really don't know what the things are necessarily, do I? But they gave me some of the letters. So what you want to do is called evaluate. Evaluate is to replace a variable with a given amount. So here I have two variables. I have 2x and I have 4y. So x and y are my variables. They tell me what my numbers are, what they're equal to. So you replace the x with the 5. You replace a y with a negative 7. What I'm going to suggest is when you plug these numbers in, you replace it with them parentheses first. So I like to go through and do this. Okay, so I'm replacing x and y, correct? So what is x being replaced with? 5, good. Then I'm replacing y with a negative 7. So now it's order of operations. What comes first, multiplication or addition?
The parentheses, so you do 2 times 5, which is 10, then 4 times negative 7, which I don't know.
Negative 7 times 4. It's 4 times 7. What's 4 times, or 7 times 2?
7 times 2 is 14.
Times 2. There we go. Okay, so it's negative 28. What's 10 plus a negative 28, or 10 minus 28?
is -18.
Good, -18.
So
So that's what C is equal to. Now, we don't necessarily know what those letters are, but we know that C is equal to -18 because we had the other ones. Yeah.
okay, so when you have the problem like that,
Uh-huh.
you don't just put the 5 beside the 2, you have to multiply them.
You have to multiply, yes. You have to take 2 times 5. If their number is written right beside the letter, you have to multiply them. Okay? See the next one up there? F is 4V minus 6T. They give you V, give you T.
You would do 4 times 30.
Yep, do it on paper right now. Do it on paper right now. You're getting so excited on me. Do it on paper. 1 second.
Take it away.
All right, so for this one, we have to put a 3 in for V. We have to put a 6 in for T, right? So we do. See, she did a pretty nice job. 4 times 3, and then minus 6 times 6. 4 times 3 is 12. Minus 6 times 6 is 36. 12 minus 36 is -24. That is correct. That looks good.
I got it now. I know what I'm doing.
Okay. Now, this one here is a little trickier. We have area equals pi r squared. Now, I gave you pi. Pi is 3.14. All right. And I gave you a radius of 5. Let's do this one together, then I'll give you one on your own. So, in this one, you just have to be careful. I'm looking for area. I have pi. Oops, I need to erase pi. So pi is 3.14. Radius is 5 squared. Now, order of operations says I have to do the exponent first, correct. So I have 3.14 times, what's 5 squared? 25. Is that what you had, Brooke?
Yeah.
Okay. What's 3.14 times 25? Brooke, this one's all you. Marissa, don't yell. Brooke?
I got it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. 78.5. That's correct. All right. Questions on that one? Okay. Same equation. Same equation, but now
Different numbers.
radius is 11. Take a few minutes and try it.
Where's the square?
Looking at it here, you plugged in a 3.14 for the for pi. Radius was 11 for this go around. Okay, we had to do the squaring first. So we have 3.14 times 11 squared, which is 121. Good. And then multiply the two together, you get 379.94. Good. Any questions? Now, some of the formulas are going to be different. Sometimes there's going to be stuff just written out like this. It's going to say this is this and whatever. There might not be any description of what it is. Sometimes it might say area equals pi r squared, and then the radius is 4 and this and that, all right? So it might mix it up on you. That's all it's going to be. But the big thing, you take what you have, plug it in for that letter. Take what you have, plug it in for that letter, and simplify. Can we handle this? Okay, you're going to have 2 assignments on this. One is going to be more so like this, just kind of written out. Here it is, put these numbers in. Then there's going to be the second assignment. It's going to have some like scenarios. It's going to say like there's a swimming pool that's a circle and yada yada. You know what I mean? You have to determine it a little bit. All right? So let me put that up.